How are Waddensee dunes, salt marshes, and mudflats connected? Imagine standing on a vast stretch of coastline where land and sea meet in a lively dance. That's what the Waddensee offers, a place where dunes, salt marshes, and mudflats work together in a fascinating way. These habitats are like pieces of a puzzle, each playing a vital role in the health of the whole ecosystem. They are all shaped by the daily rhythm of the tides, which rise and fall about twice a day. When the tide goes out, mudflats are exposed, revealing a world full of tiny creatures like worms, shellfish, and microorganisms. These creatures are the foundation of the food chain, feeding birds and fish that visit the area. As the tide comes back in, water flows from the North Sea into the mudflats and salt marshes, carrying nutrients and sediments that help these habitats grow and stay healthy. Dunes are formed by wind pushing sand onto the coast, creating ridges that act as natural barriers. These dunes protect the inland areas from storms and high waves. Behind the dunes, salt marshes develop in low-lying areas that flood during high tide. Salt marshes are filled with grasses and plants that tolerate salty water, trapping sediment and gradually building up the land. This process helps stabilize the coastline and prevents erosion. Mudflats are like the engine of the system. During low tide, they are exposed and become a feeding ground for many bird species. When the tide rises, fish and shrimp move into the mudflats to feed, connecting the land to the open sea. Organic material from the mudflats is carried into the salt marshes by the tides, providing nutrients that support plant growth. This constant exchange keeps the entire ecosystem thriving. The interconnectedness of these habitats is vital for supporting thousands of species, including migratory birds that stop here during their long journeys. It also benefits local communities by supporting fisheries, tourism, and flood protection. Protecting these natural links means maintaining the health of the entire Waddensee. Managing water flow, conserving habitats, and limiting human disturbance are all part of keeping this ecosystem alive and well. So, the dunes, salt marshes, and mudflats are not separate islands but parts of a lively, connected system that sustains life in the Benelux region and beyond.